So Dave and I are getting ready to leave. He's picking up our car. Have to drive to Reno. But look at all the beautiful trees. All right, check this out, you guys. We're driving back to Reno so we can jump on J6 and come back to Orange County. But it is a winter wonderland out here.
Snow's on the ground, and I know they've already cleaned the streets at least once.
And then look at all the trees. Look how high the snow banks are. They're about 4 feet. Just a little bit of a skip. Check out all the snow that dumped. Wow. It is all white. It's crazy.
Starting to fog up the windows. Breathing too hard. Luckily, we have all-wheel drive. I couldn't imagine doing this in our car.
Now, if you remember the video, I have a video driving to Tahoe from Reno. Wow, driving to Reno from Tahoe is a big difference. We're on the 50, heading back to Reno. And this is what it looks like driving through the snow.
It's actually snowing a lot harder earlier, so.
Yeah, they said for a little bit, that's why we left now. It is so white, right? Look.
Oh, isn't that where the Red Hut is, up this street?
No, it is not. Red Hut is up the next one, I believe.
Wow, look at all the snow in the trees.
I cannot imagine not having all-wheel drive right now. That's scary.
Just turn into one lane, huh?
Nobody can see it.
Had to get in front of the big truck. I can't even see the road anymore. We're just
follow the cars in front of you.
Just winging it.
But oh my God, it is so awesome out here. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Oh, there's a FedEx truck behind us.
Be careful. Those trucks are scary.
I mean, this is a 2-lane highway, right?
It's supposed to be, but you really can't tell, huh? I think it's snowing harder. Can you guys tell?
I put my blinker on to change lanes, but I don't even know what lane I'm in. As long as I don't see cars coming at me, I think.
It is completely white. White.
It's about a quarter-mile visibility.
If that, right? It's always nice to have somebody in front of you.
Yeah. Unless they...
Did you guys see that? They were clearing the roads. They must just drive back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So if you guys like to ski, this weekend is definitely the time to come up.
If you can get out here.
If you can get out here.
Because we talked to somebody.
7 to 8 inches, or 7 to 8 feet of snow.
We met somebody in the elevator who said he's had to wait till Saturday to drive back to California, so.
Yeah, I wouldn't take the 395 back right now. That's dangerous. He's like, you're going to Cali? And we're like, Reno, flying to Cali. He's like, oh, you guys are okay. What happened, babe?
I changed lanes unknowingly.
I'm sorry. This is beautiful and scary at the same time. Everyone has to shovel snow. Everybody. Everybody who has a business has to be out here in this cold, shoveling it.
I think it's been snowing like this pretty much all day yesterday and all night last night, right?
Yeah, it'll be all day today and all day tomorrow.
Wow. Man, I guess we really should have went skiing or snowboarding now. It's been the best conditions ever.
Yeah.
It's not like our local mountains when you go basically ice skating down the mountain.
Basically, when we got here Monday, there was a little bit of snow, but Tuesday night till now, it's still snowing. Now, oh my gosh, this is my favorite part.
Yeah, so going 35 miles an hour the whole way, I think it will take an hour and a half, right?
Yeah, it says hour and a half. Normally it's about an hour and 5-minute drive. But really? Are you really going to be going 50 through here?
Not preferably. Wow, it is just...
I don't even know. Can you even see anything?
Nope, I have no idea. I'm just trying to leave enough room in case somebody tries to pass me.
Whoa, baby, that guy had he was pulling a trailer. Isn't that dangerous?
Scary, at the very least.
They tell you not to walk around, and I understand why. Because you could fall in a snowbank and get disoriented, and then, yeah. And then snow just piles on top of you. That's just scary, right?
Wow. It's getting a little squirrely. There's a lot of snow on the ground.
It is completely white. Sorry about...
all the snow falling off the tree. At least the windows are clean now. There's a school bus stop ahead.
Schools are canceled.
I think this person wants me to pass them, but I really don't want to. Avalanche.
Warning.
Avalanche warning.
Hey, definitely not time to go up to Emerald Bay. That's for sure. You're Turo, right? And my tushy is so warm. Heated seats. How's your hand, baby?
Oh, my hand's warm.
Yeah, heated steering wheels.
Yeah.
Woohoo! This is a really nice car. So if you're heading up to Lake Tahoe from Reno, this is a must rent. 100%. Larry's an awesome host. This car is amazing. It handles amazing. And not only that, he gives you referrals to restaurants and everything else.
Alright, I'm gonna pass this guy. This guy's...
I don't want you to, baby. Then you're going to be in the front. Oh, well, okay.
I'm fine. I think he's been slowing down trying to get me to pass him.
Sorry, it's a little bumpy.
There's a lot of snow on this road. Yeah, this is fine. I'm doing 40. I'm not sliding around, so.
Sorry, you guys. I'm
Whoa,
trying.
Wow.
What is that, babe?
What?
Just all the snow falling from the
Snow
trees?
just got so heavy, it just falls off the tree.
That was kind of awesome. Tree avalanche.
Tree lanch. Wow.
That was awesome, baby.
That was cool. Now we're getting into, it's getting a little more, I don't know, either more snow or foggy. Cloudy.
So this is a drive from South Lake Tahoe to Reno.
We're topped in here. We're ready to turn on the air conditioner.
Oh my God, look at this white tree right here. Bam. Wow. If you were to walk out there right now, I think you would be in like 10 feet of snow.
You better be 10
You would
feet tall.
sink.
So I feel pretty safe going 40. 40 feels fine. I mean, if it wasn't all-wheel drive, I think probably 25 would be okay.
barely snowing now.
It's 28 degrees.
Is it?
Yeah, well, at least that's what the car says. So I'm gonna just drive in the middle of both lanes. I mean, there's nobody around me, so. Should have broke out the gimbal. Would it stop it from vibrating?
Yeah, no, it stopped. No, sometimes when it's really bumpy like this, it makes it worse. Do you remember when it's windy? It doesn't hold it. I don't know. I mean, I could have put the gimbal on, but I sure would hate to do this video and then not like it at the end. I wish it was sunny so you could see all the snow on the trees. It's so white. There's so much snow on the road.
Hey, get in front of me. Snowplow guy?
Yeah. You see that all the time here. So you can see the visibility isn't that great, right?
So, big turn, go real slow.
Lake Tahoe's out there. I can't see it. It's too far away. Whoa, it's starting to snow harder.
Try not to run over any rocks. Put some like little bit of music in the background for everybody?
Sure, because we're not talking.
I'm trying to focus. So
Yeah, I know.
you're more than welcome to talk all you want. Oh my God, shoveling this driveway. Oh wow, that was weird. I didn't know which way to go. Oh, here comes that tunnel, right? Wow, it is, yeah, quarter-mile visibility. If that.
And we're entering the shortest tunnel ever.
This is Asen Tunnel.
Oh, that's scary.
Not really on this one. That's it.
Hello.
I don't know what it is. I've always honked when I go through tunnels. Unless there's somebody directly in front of me.
And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And hey, have you guys driven through something like this before? Leave a comment.
I'm sure there's plenty of people watching this going, that isn't anything in other states and countries.
But I live in California, Orange County, California, to be.
We're a little spoiled when it comes to that. We don't have a lot of drastic weather.
I can't tell if the visibility is getting better or worse.
I think it's getting a little worse.
Yeah, I kind of feel that too.
I can't tell where the gas gauge is. What is that? I think we have only used a quarter tank, so we're going to be okay.
I think Larry's gonna be stoked. We drove maybe 300 miles. We had 1,000 available.
I don't remember what the odometer was.
When you do Turo, you're supposed to take a photo of the mileage so you know that you won't get charged for over driving.
But we're so trusting, we never do that.
Yeah. And I'm like, really? I'm gonna drive 1,000 miles on vacation? Yeah, that didn't happen. And besides that, it was blizzard warning. They scare you. Do not go outside. Do not walk around. But yeah, I can see why.
And well, we had a lot of stuff that was pretty local, so we didn't have to do much much drive.
Well, we did walk through a blizzard for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be
Pizza.
posting that video soon.
Blizzard pizza.
I've seen a lot of driving videos, but I think this one's interesting because it's snowing.
Snowing good.
But this is a drive back to Reno.
Wow, that's a lot of snow. And man, does your car get really dirty driving in this stuff?
Weird, you would think it'd be clean.
There's somebody in front of me that's going slower than I want to go. And I'll wait until after the turn.
Thank you. She's in a Jeep all-wheel drive. That's weird.
And I'm just blowing by him at 35.
And we're in an all-wheel drive.
He's probably going, what a jackass. I don't know, I feel completely confident with this car in this weather.
Thank you, Larry.
Thanks, Larry. It's like handles like a dream. Like I was kind of concerned when we were in the hotel room looking outside. I'm like, wow, we have to drive in that? It's actually not
It's
too
not bad. And it's kind of sad because I'm doing the video. I'm not enjoying it myself. But hey, I'm doing this for you guys.
You get to watch it when we go home.
But we have so many videos to show you.
Yeah, this is supposed to be a vacation. End up turning into kind of a working vacation. I mean, not work. Even when we're at work, we enjoy our job so much. It's not like work.
They say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life, right? So that's how I feel. I feel lucky.
It's weird passing people, and they're local, so. But I definitely don't feel like we're being unsafe. If you scare yourself, that's when you're going too fast, right?
Oh my God, the drive to Emerald Bay was, that was
Yeah, that
scary.
was a little sketchy at times.
No guardrails. Are they kidding me? Everyone's pulling over.
It's snowing harder. We're going around a corner. I didn't really prefer to pass people on a corner. But again, like I said, this car handles really well.
We'll have to let Larry know when we drop off the car today.
I'm sure he'll be happy to see us safe.
In one piece? Yeah.
Because I'm sure he's watching the news going, oh my God. Please bring my car back in one piece. Alright, I need to figure out how to drive and do the controls at the same time here. It's too hot in here. It's like I need to pull over and take off my jacket.
We're pretty high up. Look, you can see the tips of our pine trees.
Visibility is actually
Getting better. Isn't it?
I don't know. Not really. I think it's about the same.
It's just weird because everything is white, right? So you're like, is that fog? Is that snow?
Is that the road? Is that a cliff?
Yeah, wow. But you can kind of see the tire marks, right? A little bit.
That's kind of what I'm trying to follow.
Don't follow one off the cliff, though, baby.
Nope, keeping the mountain close to me.
So when we head back to Reno, we're gonna do breakfast at, I think it's Patty's Ham and...
No, Peg's Ham and Eggs.
Yeah, Peg's Ham and Eggs.
Which got what was the review?
A 4.7, 2,000 reviews. It's crazy.
It was in some type of magazine.
Oh, it was in Esquire magazine as the best breakfast in America.
In America?
In America. They get a lot of local best breakfast in Tahoe, best breakfast in Reno. But this time they got from Esquire magazine last year, best breakfast in America.
That's a big statement.
Yeah, so
We'll be kind of a judge of that.
we'll show you when we get that too. Hey, Pepsi truck, get out of my way!
Yeah, I don't feel like driving as slow as you are.
I don't want you to pass him though.
Well, he's like in the middle of the lane, so it's kind of difficult. I mean, mean, I will pass them up here as soon as I get an option to do so. This is too slow. It's just got a couple turns coming.
It's okay. It looks better for the video anyways, baby. They can see how hard it's snowing. Have you guys ever driven at night when it's snowing with the lights on, right? It looks like warp speed. It's crazy.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to do this at night.
Beep, beep.
Yeah, I don't know. I just don't feel paranoid. I'm being pretty safe.
You are being safe, baby. I think this drive to Lake Tahoe from Reno was not bad. It's not like going up to Big Bear, which that road is pretty treacherous. That gives me vertigo. That's not so bad.
It's not too bad. There's the guys getting
Keeping
rid of
us
all that
safe.
snow.
They're working 24 hours a day.
You've got to be. Otherwise, they'd get to the point where they wouldn't even see the road anymore.
I can't see the road anymore.
I mean, they got the markers showing you the edge of the road.
There's snow falling from the trees. We're thirsty. Man, this guy's been riding his brakes the whole time.
I think he's slowing down. He wants me to pass him. I'm not going to pass him on these curves. But he's
Yeah.
probably looking in the mirror going, where the hell did you come from? Just let me pass him.
We're not locals.
We drive like we're locals. Right?
Well, because my baby's a good driver.
I have our safety.
Man, more no rails.
Yeah, I mean, you're not really going to hit black ice out here because it's so much snow, right?
No, that's not true.
Not true.
If it melts and then it freezes over, you're going to hit black ice, baby. And this is where you don't want to hit black ice.
Near cliffs.
Yes.
Yeah. No, we might have to change our reservations. We might be there way ahead of schedule.
I believe it's raining in Reno right now.
Yeah, that's what I saw in the weather report.
I've been checking JSX like every hour. Is it delayed? Is it delayed? No, on
We
time.
have to go to work tomorrow. We have to get out of here. So there's still snow over there, baby?
Where's that?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. All over the trees.
Yeah, I see that you're moving over, but we're going around a turn. I'll wait till we're kind of going straight. Yeah, right up. I'll do it on the turn. Feeling a little risky.
Everyone's really nice on the roads here.
Like, you want to be in front of me? Go ahead. because, you know, our car says that we're a Nevada car. But we're not locals.
I think that's what people think, because everybody who's pulling over has California license plate.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait this turn here that I can't even see how sharp it is.
Thank you. I can't even imagine how busy Lake Tahoe is going to be this weekend.
Oh my God. Well, like those one people said, it's like 4th of July out there. Even more so now that we've got this big blizzard.
We're at 6,000 elevation, and this is what it looks like.
So it seems like it kind of stopped snowing.
I believe we're getting lower down, so it's gonna transition from snow to rain. I love the rain, but I prefer the snow, I think. It's better. There was a car in front of us with hazards, so I don't know what was going on. I think he just wanted to come down this mountain slowly.
Yeah, he's going about 15 miles an hour. I have to ride the brakes the whole way to go that slow in this thing.
I notice everybody's riding their brakes right now. Not us.
Not us. We're doing 40. I mean, I don't know, is 40 too fast?
It's 50's the speed limit, so. I'm so sorry. This ride is so bumpy. I'm trying as hard as I can, keeping it still.
Wow, it's really bumpy here. I think I'd rather drive on the snow than that freshly. So we must be behind a snowplow.
Because it looks clean.
It's all freshly scraped.
Oh. There's an American flag up on that rock.
It's a lot smoother, huh?
Oh yeah, for sure. There's no more snow on the road. Yeah, that was a drive down from Tahoe on the way to Reno, guys.
Not too bad.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Just if you have an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I wouldn't do this without chains or four-wheel drive,
I mean,
for sure.
all-wheel drive was just, I passed like 12 people, but I wasn't being reckless.
So it wasn't bad. It was pretty scary though at times. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Really appreciate it.
And we'll see you on our next venture. Bye!